Hi, I'm Blake Vandevoorty, District Sales Manager for Montana. Today, we're going to be exploring the new Montana High Country 311 RD. This floor plan is an excellent choice whether you're looking to travel with family or friends. It features spacious interior and several amenities that make it perfect for long trips or extended stays. The 311 RD floor plan was designed for the customer that loves the rear den entertainment setup, but wants to stay at 35 feet long. It is built for customers that might be traveling as couples, but also would like to entertain. One of the standout features of the Montana High Country 311 RD is the large living room area. With comfortable seating and ample space, you can sit and relax with your family and friends. Something you'll find in every Montana are the hardwood slide-out fascia, roller shades, cabinetry with shaker-style doors, and hidden hinges. And because we know the importance of staying cool in the summertime, all Montanas are equipped with Blade Pure, which provides 20% more cooling power than a traditionally built AC system. In the 311 RD, comfort is key, which is why the floor plan has power theater seating right across from the entertainment center, where you'll find a 50-inch smart TV as well as JBL speaker system. The kitchen is also well designed and equipped, making it easy to prepare meals on the go. Packed with a 24-inch Furrion stove and a residential refrigerator, you'll be impressed with just how residential it all looks. The 311 RD features a comfortable bedroom area with a king-size bed and plenty of storage space. With the wardrobe being as spacious as it is, it provides an extra storage option for all of your clothes and shoes. The bathroom that connects to the bedroom has a separate entrance from the hall, so if you ever have friends or family over, they don't have to go through your bedroom in order to use the bathroom. And even with all the slides in, the bathroom is still accessible as well. All Montanas come with windows equipped with safety tint. You'll definitely notice a difference when it's extremely cold or sunny outside, since they're a huge help from the outside elements, not to mention an extra blanket of privacy. With two awnings on this floor plan, you get a couple benefits, including a built-in shade area that is perfect for when you're outside wanting to relax and unwind after a long day. You can easily adjust the awning so that it blocks out the sun or the rain, which means that even on the sunniest or rainiest days, you can still enjoy the outdoors despite the inclement weather. We know when you're at a campground, you still want to enjoy the fresh air and beautiful scenery. You're more than likely not wanting to go through the hassle of cooking inside and having to go back and forth. Save space, create less of a mess, and enjoy the convenience of cooking outside with our outdoor kitchen. With the SolarFlex packages paired with our Dragonfly lithium batteries, this gives you the ability to cool down your refrigerator before you hit the road. That way it's loaded up and ready to go when you get to the campground. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. There's so much more that can be covered on this model, so for more information, click the link below.